Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing question number 4B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and handwritten form. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us anytime. And if you need any other help also related to study, you can also help. So now, question number 4B is Arun saw few dogs on the street shivering with cold in the winters. He decided to build a small triangular shed for them. He has rods of length using which he made the shed frame. Find the angles to which the sticks are arranged with one another to form the triangular frame as shown in the figure. Also verify sign formula for the triangle. So we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all type of answers accordingly if you need. So and if you need any other help, so you can contact also. Thank you so much for watching.